Let's ride Alice in Wonderland. Come on, everybody. The Alice in Wonderland ride at Disneyland is a classic Disney dark ride located in Fantasyland. It is themed around the 1951 animated film Alice in Wonderland. During the ride, you follow along through many iconic scenes from the film. The ride vehicle is based on the caterpillar from the film and consists of 2 rows of seats, which can seat 2 to 3 people per row. This ride is unique because it is actually built on 2 different levels. At one point during the ride, you go outside and are greeted with beautiful views of the Matterhorn and the Mad Tea Party. As you slowly descend back to ground level, you join Alice and the Mad Hatter at an unbirthday party. This is a very cute, well-themed ride that has definitely stood the test of time. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. It lets YouTube know that you are enjoying the content.